Down here, can you spot the 4 signs of deck damage? The weather's warming up and that means fun in the sun. But before you soak up those rays, here are the checks you need to do to ensure your favorite outdoor hangout is protected against UV damage. Number 1, loss of gloss or sheen. This will often be the first sign that your timber is in need of a recoat. Once you notice your timber looking duller than it used to be, apply a fresh coat. Number 2, colour fade. Colour fade or uneven, patchy appearance means it's time for a new coat. Number 3, cracking and splitting timber. Cracks or splits are clear indicators that protective coatings are compromised. Address this promptly to prevent further damage and save yourself time and money. And lastly, number 4, water absorbs into the timber. When water stops beading on the surface and starts to seep in, it's time to refresh your coating. Loss of water repellency indicates your deck's protection has lessened. So if your deck is showing any of these 4 telltale signs, it's time to coat now and prevent UV damage using Cabot's Aquadeck. It's like SPF for your deck.